Hello everyone, in this video I'm gonna try to show you how you might recover a disabled Facebook account. As you can see here right now, they say my account was disabled for no reason, and they say here your account was disabled on 20 October. If you think that your account was disabled by mistake, you can submit more information via the help center. So you have to do this before 30 days. Okay, so you can download all your information from here. What this means, whatever you got from Facebook can be downloaded from here. So that's what I'm going to do first. In case if I don't get my Facebook account, at least I will maybe get the pictures that I upload on Facebook. So they are creating the download. So this is the first thing I want to do. In my case, I want to get all my pictures. So I'm going to save them somewhere. So after this, we will go to the next step. So what I can do when this thing is busy downloading, I'm going to come here, click go to help center. Okay, you must read all these things. This is why they say why they removed my page. Okay. So when you're done reading this, you can submit an appeal. So what I'm gonna do, you can do here. I'm gonna select this, do Google Shares. Your account, you can see here, Facebook account disable appeal here. I'm gonna open this link. Click here. So what you can do from here is to enter your account name. This is mine. And you can choose an ID. Okay, and then you click send. Okay, form submitted. So you might have to wait. From here you can do nothing. The only thing you can do is to cross fingers and wait a response from Facebook. In the meantime, you can still download all your information from Facebook. I hope this video you have someone who is in need. Please don't forget to like it, share it, and subscribe. Ciao.